Welcome friends, my name is Indranil and thank you for visiting my channel Programming is Fun. In this particular series we will be creating a content management system like this one using Node.js and MongoDB as our database. So in our CMS we will have this home page with 4 links. The about link has nothing as such, but you can definitely put your own content. Then we have the login functionality, the user registration functionality, and this also has validation in place. So if I try to register here with an existing email address, you will see it says email already exists, try to sign in, and it takes you to the login page automatically. But if you log in with a wrong credential here, it gives you that no user found, so that's in place. And if you log in with the valid credentials, you will notice some change here in the navigation menu. Oops, so the password was incorrect, I guess. Okay, so it displays the username, a logout button, and the admin button also. Along with that, you'll notice that the login and registration buttons are disappeared. So it will only appear to a new user or a non-logged in user. Okay, and if you click on admin, you can go to this admin section where you can create you can see all the posts, you can edit them, okay, like this, or you can delete them if you want. You can create new categories and assign posts to different categories, and you will also see how to display the categories and number of comments here, and how to link different what do you call documents, because in MongoDB we don't have MongoDB is a NoSQL database wherein we don't have any uh, relationships like rows and columns or join functions. So we will see how we can relate those documents and fetch the related document information like we are doing here. Also you can administer which comments to appear on the screen. So if I just open a new tab here, so you will notice that my session is persistent. Okay, so if you have multiple tabs, the session continues, and if you go to any particular post, you will only see the comments that are currently allowed here, so approved here I mean. So if I disapprove this comment from here, you see this small notification. It is doing through Ajax, okay, real time, and without the page refresh. And if I refresh this page, you will see that comment is gone now. Okay, so it will only show you the approved comments. If I approve it again, it's updated, and refresh the page, so it's back again. And if you click on logout, so it takes you back to the login screen, or to the home page I mean. Okay, so we'll create this entire CMS from scratch with the help of Node.js, and I will be detailing each and every step so that you can understand what we are doing. So I hope you guys will enjoy this series. So let's get started with the next one. Thank you and have a wonderful day.